Hello, come back again with Learning Thai with Group today. And today I'm gonna teach you another word that even me also dream of, or other people as well want to have it. That word is trip. T-R-I-P, trip. Trip in English, but in Thai we can say like การเดินทาง 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 For using this word, normally you will use like having a trip or taking a trip. It means like วางแผนเดินทางกำลังคิดจะเดินทาง Take a trip. Plan to take a trip. Plan for a trip. Something like this that you use for the word. กำลังเดินทางคิดแผนเดินทาง Something like that. For example, in the sentence, I am planning to take a trip in Chiang Mai. I am planning to take a trip in Chiang Mai. ฉัน I am going to take a trip or planning to take a trip. กำลังวางแผนเดินทาง to เชียงใหม่ไปเชียงใหม่ I am going to plan for taking a trip or I am planning to take a trip to เชียงใหม่ฉันกำลังวางแผนเดินทางไปเชียงใหม่เชียงใหม่ is one of the province in northern part of Thailand which is very famous. Okay, so in case that you have any question and would like to know more about the detail in anything in Thai, and you can leave me the comment, ask me the question, and I will answer you back as soon as possible. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.